Hi, I'm here to give you a quick pointer on how to embed your Slideshare creations into WordPress. WordPress is the blogging platform that we're using for our DM for Change course blog, and right now I'm in the I've logged in and I'm in the back end or the dashboard side of WordPress, and this is, you may have seen this if you've posted a blog post already. And right now specifically I'm in the plugins area. So the plugins are features or things that you can add on to your blog that give you additional abilities and functions. So one of the things that we've included, we've downloaded and installed onto our blogging community, and in our particular blog here is called Slideshare. And so Slideshare is basically a plugin that allows you to easily embed into your blog posts things that you create in Slideshare. So what I want to do is just show you real quick how that works. So what I'm going to do is going to go into first over to Slideshare, and I want to show you that this is this is actually Kenley's completed Slideshare creation. And for sharing purposes, you have a couple of things. You could take the URL that's at the top of the browser bar, so that's this long link, and Kenley's done that actually in his post today, which is great. Or what you can do is you can actually go over into Slideshare, and this is just like YouTube and a few other places online, where it gives you a code. And you'll see that when you click and open the code, you have a standard code here, and this is a code that you would use to put into generally into a web page. But when you click on this little thing that extends open, you'll see that there's actually a special code for the Slideshare plugin for WordPress. And so what you're going to do to get the Slideshare presentation right into your blog post is copy and paste this code. And what's great is I can just copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my blog post, and I want to be in the visual editor. So you'll see that there's an HTML code side of things. There's also a visual editor. This is what's called "What You See Is What You Get," or WYSIWYG. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that code. So once you have your code from Slideshare copied and pasted into the WYSIWYG editor, that again is the visual editor for your posts in WordPress, you can go ahead and finish composing your blog post. Saving draft is a good idea along the way, and then we just hit preview. We see the Slideshare embedded right into your blog post, and we can go ahead and hit play.
On the day the last nuclear weapon is destroyed, plutonium pits from nuclear weapons will be extracted and converted to reactor fuel,
and we're in good shape. So again, just to review, you want to make sure that you have the code from your Slideshare, and we got that from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side of Slideshare. Taking that over to our blog post, putting that into the WYSIWYG editor, and if we wanted to add anything else to this post, we would go ahead and do that, leave some space for that, publish the Slideshare post, and you're all set. And you should have something that looks like that along the way. This is a lot more convenient and a little bit more visually appealing to have things embedded right into your blog. And this is something that once you've learned how to do it once, you can look for it on other sites, so that it makes embedding multimedia into your posts that much easier. So thanks a lot.